Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add header only on certain pages in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to add header only on certain page. Go to the another page. Now we can see we have a third page. Now we want to insert this header only on this page. Go to the third page, then click right button on our mouse, then select the insert section. Then go to the fourth page and click right button and select insert section. Then go to the third page, then go to insert menu, then select the header option and write the header text. Then click the close master page. Then go to the first section and select the multiple pages. Press shift on our keyboard. Then click right button on our mouse and select the master pages section. Then select none. Then go to the another section and select the multiple pages. Press shift on our keyboard. Then click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages option and select none. Then go to the third page and we can see here only available the header text only the third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.